This video is about electives and seeing how they function and what any questions you might have about them. So the first important part is that electives run differently than the core courses: math, science, social studies, English. So those are the cores. We make sure you get those in. The electives, and everyone has two of them, that these run kind of more asynchronously, meaning you access them when you have time to get to them. They're specifically designated to be done on Fridays, but they don't have to be done on Fridays. We've also set aside time on Fridays in half an hour with each of the teachers you will have. From 8 to 12, there's like different half hours that your teachers will have sent you as to when they're available to meet, and you would go into the class at that time, and they would just kind of go over what's going on in the class and possibly extend what the learning is. The one exception is Spanish. We partner with another school for the Spanish teaching because we didn't have one on site. To clarify, I was a Spanish teacher for 18 years. I taught all levels from middle school to AP Spanish, so I certainly can answer any questions you have. And actually, you can schedule tutoring time with me if things aren't, if you need some help in Spanish as well. So certainly you can lean on me for that expertise. All right, so let's get into it. Make sure, we see what it is, and we go down to, let's see, what does he have? Yes, and again, thank you to our student for offering his login. I really do appreciate this. He's got 100% in Intro to Graphic Design, Foundations of Design. You can see he got into it, looked at the course, and saw it was going. He's 14% of the way done with it. Actually didn't have any assignments really due until Friday, this Friday. So, but certainly I would have gotten into it as well. This is the course itself. If you have a question for the teacher, you can use this inbox and email your teacher. Since your teacher is Mrs. Creary, for this class, you would just type it right under 2. You would type in her name, and it would pop up right there. You will need to know the last name of your teacher. They don't just necessarily pop up right there. Okay, so this is it. You should get some information on when the teachers will be available to meet about this, and we'll probably populate it right here in this space right here. If not, you'll get some more information. Okay, all right, thank you very much, and good luck and enjoy.